Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new episode of NewsChat. Today we're going to be discussing Tremors TV show and Tremors 7. So it seems the Kevin Bacon TV show has been cancelled, with a pilot episode being filmed and then Sci-Fi dropping it due to money. And it seems like we will not see it realized, which is a shame, but who knows, maybe it was horrible, but it definitely sucks. And from what the trailer has suggested, it looks pretty good, and actually interesting story and new characters, and it would have been great to see Kevin Bacon back, and what we see from the trailer is really good. It seems like they would have set up some interesting plot lines, and we even got to see, the new Graboid, or at least some stage of the Graboid, and it's a different design, and I like it. But I definitely need an explanation to why it looks like this now. But I guess we never know. So there's that. And yeah, so Tremors TV show has been canceled, the second TV show. And it could still get picked up, but I don't know. I think eventually one day we'll see the pilot, but not the show. But we just have to go on, I guess, But in otherwise good news, Tremors 7 has seemingly been confirmed by Michael Gross himself. So yes, we will see him back, and Jamie Kennedy most likely. And right after Tremors 6, they were confirmed to be in talks and very early production on it. So, sounds cool. Now, we don't know the plot details on this yet. All we know is that it'll be set after Tremors 6, and that Michael Gross and Jamie Kennedy will at least be returning, and maybe the same crew. I kind of want some new people, because Tremors 6, it wasn't bad. It still was definitely good and enjoyable, but it's probably my second least favorite Tremors film. It's only above the fourth one. And I'd like some new blood, a little bit of new story. It might be an underwater Graboids, which could be an interesting story to tell. So, great to see Bert back, but I want to see what this story will bring. But yeah, that's about it, guys. That's all we have for this episode. Tremors TV show canned, Tremors 7 confirmed. So, I hope you enjoy these news chats. They're just kind of lazy, laid-back videos I'm trying to do whenever I kind of feel like it. But yeah, this is just some little update on the Tremors franchise, and I hopefully will be reviewing more of the films in the franchise soon. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.